So I've got to step out by the stops, but where the market is going, and most importantly, we are, in one sense, we kind of made a one leg up, and then we hit this top. Like first time there was a first top. This is the second top. Now we're kind of like in a range over here, So we got support from this breaker block. This is the breaker block, and this is the imbalance zones. Okay, looks like we've got it first time. There is like a significant doobie down in this candle, and it was a doji practically. So we've got reaction. Now, we're probably going to go and seek second time reaction from these zones because the market doesn't have enough strength to go up. Then we're going to go and relax those guys who want to sell. So we give them a chance to, and with this, we're going to make some money going down. So just enter it for contracts, boom. Now, those ching noise making me crazy too, but I need to consult with how to turn this off. Sorry, I don't know. Okay, I've got my stop. So now we've got the second time reaction from the bottom. So it looks like the market is still strong. I have lost $130, by the way. Not really pleasant. Okay, but let me see how we're gonna go up now, because this is a liquidity delta 2 showing us that there is a strong limit buyers, okay, sitting out there. Okay, we'll see how that goes. So we actually going, if we take a look at the bigger picture, so we took liquidity with this wick of the candle, and looks like, and now we're supposed to move up, because if we already fulfilled what we need to, then the goal, then we're gonna go up. So far, I'm actually closed three contracts. Let me switch to the dollars. Oops, close here. Okay, I have, okay, again, one stop. Anyway, we're still gonna go up. That is my inclination for this. Even though we can go like bounce a little bit to the right in the corridor. Let me see and watch. By the way, I need to watch this 1 second chart in the middle. On the right is a 30-second chart for NQ. Let me move it up here. Boom. And on the left side over there, we're seeing the 3-minute chart. So far, looks like we are bouncing from this support. We may go and dive to this blue line as a support. We may seek it there. Yeah, is that possible? Absolutely. Now, what you're seeing on the left side is the delta blocks and delta compression. Yeah, we're gonna go up. We're going to up. Yes, we're going up. We're building buying capacity. Let's me wait a little bit. See the reaction on this candle on the right side. See the reaction. Okay, let me see the reaction. So far, we're seeing on a 1 second chart there were not too much volume moving this high. And that may say that, we can go and revisit some of this area. There's a chance for it. No, we're not going to. Here we go. We're moving up. We're moving up. So inclination is that we are moving up. And there is a, here is an interesting, on the historical chart, we see that there's some levels get melted away. Anyway, that's fantastic. Okay, 4 orders get closed. I'm $95 positive. That's really nice. This is the zone with some interesting level 2. there should be reaction over here. But if we incline it to go up, then we'll go up no matter what. So let's see that there's an initial reaction. I need to wait for that initial reaction happens and see how that from this imbalance zone, we'll see what happens after that initial reaction, and when the candle is gonna tell me they're ready to go up again. Right now we're seeing level 2 delta going negative, red, and this is a sign that it's too early. If I want to go up, and it's too early yet. Okay, there's a second one. Okay, let the price breathe out those sellers. Okay, we'll see it. Yeah, because we have a chance to go into even this candle, because this candle is kind of like an empty candle. It's a minor term. I'm saying empty candle. It's like a, yeah, this is like a candle with just like a one way, and the price will go and revisit. Usually it goes and revisit this type of candles. So I'm ready to go up. This is the first wave on the 30 seconds chart that actually going up a little bit. There's a buyers showing up. The sellers kind of like, you see, less and less. To compare with this one, we see less sellers, so the sellers get exhausted over here. Now the buyers starting to show up one time. Now there's a second time. We'll take a look at the 1 second chart over here, what's going on, and what is the delta compression is building out here. We need to see it. Okay, here we go. We're going up. That's
Order
it.
Filled.
So I'm stepping in with the 4 contracts, my buying positions. Be careful with the stop losses. Boom, I'm gonna put it over here, because my stops are actually trailing stops. They get closer and closer to the price, and I have a chance to being closed by stops if I don't keep track what is the distance, okay, to my stop loss. So I will still keep it over here, because that was the previous low. If the price will go down lower than that, that means the price still gonna go up, because we may land it into this zone if we're going up a little bit down, but then the price will, what I see on the chart right now, from this, okay, I can put my stop loss right over here, okay, and see if I'm gonna hit the stop loss, then this is the good position, because I see that there is like a limit order sitting over here, 37 beads. Okay, that's fine. But looks like this weak of the candle, tail, I should call them tails. Okay, this tail is telling us, the sellers, if they leaving the market, they just leaving. It's not that the seller stepping in. How do I know this? I need to give you a lesson, guys. I need to make a tutorials for this. Okay, now we're going up, and now we overcome these sellers. And how do I know this? I know it's by delta on the left side. Oops, here we go. Here we go. And the blue delta is start building. It's pretty actually nice. Okay, that the buyers are building their strength over here. Okay. Okay, they still give sellers to exhaust themselves. On the way up, let them exhaust, and then they're gonna move easier in the upper position. Okay, here we go. Should I add a contracts? Yes, I added another 4 contracts, because now that is a better candle to enter into. Okay, here we go. We're moving up. Boom, bagaboom. 1, 2, 3, 4 contracts get closed. I mean, more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I still have 2 contracts at work. I move. Usually, this is like too far. Okay, we're gonna go up and we're gonna close out other my 4 contracts. I'm about $380 in positive, 400. Nice. I mean, this ching is making me crazy and probably you as well, but it's kind of like a positive. What those ching mean is that we're moving into a right direction. Okay, and my
target filled.
Here we go. Now, $460. I'm trading 12 minutes. It's a 12 minutes in making, and we're gonna go and hit even higher price tag. Okay, here we go.
Order filled.
I'm going up again for contracts because this is the buyer step in. They first, but they get some kind of resistance over here, right? Now you see the sellers are showing up, but those sellers are already exhausted. Where are they exhausted? We were waiting them for breathe out right here. First time, second time, third time. So we're moving up to this level, guys. That's for sure. This is the magic line, by the way. And I explained it in my advanced tutorials. This is for advanced people because it's quite accurate, but you need to know how to read this indicator.
Target filled.
Here we go, $635 in the first 13 minutes of trading. Isn't that fascinating? Are we gonna go and go higher? I don't know. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. There is some people sitting there. Yes, we're seeing there is a zone. We hit this zone. We're supposed to get reaction. Okay, now I'm looking at the left screen with the 3 minutes. Now let's take a look at this screen. 1 second. Yeah, we're seeing the some guy 69 delta. It's pretty actually high for the 1 second screen chart over here. So we need to melt to gain capacity to melt those limit orders, or we're gonna bounce from them. Okay. Now that's initial reaction from this magic red line. We actually build another magic red line. So we're probably gonna go down a little bit, and I'm gonna sell, and I need to be careful how down we're gonna go, because the price. This is the counter trading. Okay, this is a counter trading against the main trend. Okay, so now I have to be very patient when I'm doing that, because it's like a insane and crazy. Oh, I'm so far about $500 in the first 14 minutes. After this deal, I'm gonna close this chart because that's gonna be enough for me, and I have something to do today, and I'm not intended to trade more than, I don't know, half an hour. So if the price is gonna go and cross this magic red line, then we're gonna go up. That is for sure. I mean, if then I cross this magic line, because we made a false break over here, that is consider it like a false break. We poke through this magic red line. Okay, because this magic red line is just like absolutely insane, and you need to know understand other indicators, and read this in the context. So that's the first way we get reaction from that red line. Now, will we get it second time or not? See, I'm $300 negative, but I'm okay with this. I mean, 400 right now. Wow. So that's what means to trade against the main trending direction. The main is going up, and I'm shooting down. So I just believe that, because it's like building a third, like a top. we get reaction. We may have a chance to go and visit this line or this imbalance zone. Oh. So guys, I am seeing that there is a tail. Oh man, this is nice. This tail is telling me that I still have a chance to get back in positive. Okay, these sellers out here, they show up. First time they show up here. Second time they show up here. By intent, I'm explaining to you what you need to learn. That I'm telling you that just like a one delta level 2 is not what I'm looking for. I'm seeing the patterns that there is like a first strong delta, this one, red one, second, and on a third, if there will be a negative delta, and here I'm gonna add, even I'm counter trading, I'm gonna add more contracts into the sale. Okay, let's see what's going on. Should I do it? I mean, I already have 4 contracts. Now, because it's counter trading, I'm not gonna add it. But like, if you wanted to, wait until the third large limit delta. It's not limit delta. It's a limit. It's a level 2 delta pulling and stacking. That's what it is. Sorry if I said that it's a regular delta. It's not a regular delta. This is the level 2 delta. Now, fantastic. You see the third time. I mean, 1, 2, 3. Now, this limit delta, not limit delta. It's a pulling and stacking delta level 2 is actually showing themselves. It's a nice point to enter. So I'm confident that I'm going to gain positive now $725 in the first 18 minutes. Guys, are we going to go down? Yes, there's a chance that we're going to go and revisit this area. Like I promised to you, my rule is my rule. I'm not going to step in. It is pretty enough for me to earn $725 in the first 18 minutes. Boom, I'm done for today, guys. This is what these 2 screens is helping me. On the right side, there's a 30 seconds NQ. In the middle, it's a 1 second NQ. On the left, it is the delta blocks and delta compression on the left side. Okay. Yes, I still believe that price is gonna go back and gonna try to melt this magic level. So now you seeing all my trades, nothing to hide. Even there over here, some of my trades, all of them, you see it, where I step in, where I lost, what I lost, and all numbers right in front of you on this chart. Okay, now let's go and generate the performance. Okay, I'm gonna go new whatever and trade performance. Now let me move it over here, make sure it is not the simulation account. Boom, and go back. This is real, and we see this information for performance. Now 725 is earned today as a profit, and let's see the profit factor. So the number of trades is 31, the total number of trades, and the percent profitable is 80% profitable, 90% long, and 63 short. So winning trades 25 total, and losing trades 6. Yes, I've got some losses by the price. Okay, so anyway, it is above 70. Usually I'm like the minimum about like 70, 74%, but this is the about 80% profitable, and this is not too bad. Profit factor is 2.9, about the 3, and the Sharpe ratio is 941. That's not too bad though. Okay, so I can improve some of these numbers and probably move percent profitable up to 82, 84%. That'd be a better trading for me. But so far, I'm okay with trading just below 20 minutes and earning 725. Now, do you want to trade about 20 minutes a day and make $300, $400 like a guarantee for you? Yeah, absolutely, it's possible. It is possible to trade only like 20 minutes and make $400. Even I made more. That is okay.